Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am making walnut snowball cookies which are very delicious to eat and it is very easy to make. Thanks for watching. Let's make it.
Hello everyone, thanks for watching.
1.5 cup powdered sugar, 1 stick unsalted butter, 1 cup all-purpose flour, 2/3 cup walnuts finely chopped, one cup powdered sugar to coat, beat butter, add sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, beat until smooth. Gradually mix in flour. Add walnuts. Mix until completely incorporated. Chill the dough for at least 30 minutes in the fridge. Preheat the oven to 300 Fahrenheit. Line a baking sheet with baking mat. Form the dough into small balls. Place on the cookie sheet. Spaced at least an inch apart from each other. Bake for 35 minutes. When cookies are still warm but cool enough to touch, roll them in the powdered sugar. Set aside to cool completely. When cool, dust again in powdered sugar. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. Thanks, bye.